Welcome to Swing Trade Genie. Futures Forex and off-exchange foreign exchange trading are risky. You can lose money. Therefore, always consult a financial professional before investing, and only a trade with money that you can afford to lose and that won't affect your lifestyle or retirement plans. Getting right into it, we can see what the Genie has done for us this week. We can see right from the beginning of the week here on the Russell, you can see that we had a Genie level come up here right around 1480, or pardon me, 1458 in that area, and you can see it took off from that price, and you actually had a really good chance to get in on that level and watch it just explode. That was on Monday, where we established the level. It came back, retested it later on Monday, and then just took off from there all through Tuesday. And we've had a bit of a retracement on Wednesday, and it looks like we're trying to head back up again going into Thursday. So wonderful to have these levels on the charts, and you can see how it's moved up from there. Important to note that it was confirmed by the Swing Trade Genie, and the Genie confirmed it with the volume, and so we were sure that there were bigger players in here planning to move things upward on the Russell. I think the most important thing to note about these levels and what the Genie is telling us is that he sees the market ahead of time. We had this level in here and the market went up. You had plenty of time to get ready for any retracement back down into that 1458 to 1460 area. Plenty of time to get there. Had a couple retests over a few hours and then took off from there. So we're seeing things ahead of time, and that's the power of the Swing Trade Genie. I want to talk about gold just for a quick second. You can see, again, this is a similar situation to what we saw on the Russell. We established a Genie level on the 23rd, and we had a move up from that Genie level. Very nice move up from about 76 to 88, 1276 to 1288 on gold. We came back in. We didn't quite get there on the 28th, but another reaction very close to that level. And then the key happened on Thursday of last week. Going into the weekend, we get the retest of the Genie level, once again confirmed through the Genie's techniques and volume analysis, and just an explosion on gold from there. We've had a run from that 1276 area all the way up to 1344 and change. Very huge move up. Once again, we had the level ahead of time, being able to tell us to get ready, keep watching that level, and if you're patient, you were definitely able to capitalize on that on Thursday. Moving on to pound dollar, British pound cable pair, we had the market coming down, obviously, with Theresa May's resignation and the question of who's going to be the Conservative Party member, as well as the European elections completely dominated by the Brexit Party, as well as other nationalist parties across Europe. And you can see the area 125.60 Genie level on there, way ahead of time, going back very, very far. Genie level telling us the market is going to come down to 25.60, and then on last Friday, that's exactly what happened, and we get the huge move off of there. So again, seeing the market ahead of time, confirming it with the Genie's volume analysis, and boom, we have a move of over 200 pips on the pound dollar alone. So because the Genie can help you see things ahead of time, you have plenty of time to get ready. You're not rushing, you're not chasing. You just wait patiently, relax, wait for the setup, and get the confirmation from the Genie's volume analysis, and boom, we have huge move going into Friday's close. Then again on Monday, Tuesday, and Thursday we did get a move up again. We've had a pull back down and expecting it to continue upwards. Moving along to the pound yen, similar story, which is to be expected on the pound pairs, given that there's at least some positive news coming out of the UK. There'll be less uncertainty with someone perhaps like Boris Johnson, or perhaps some team up between the Brexit factions and the Conservatives or some other party. So we may get some more clarity on the Brexit situation. So it's been supportive of the pound. You can see that going in yesterday, or pardon me, on Wednesday, we established a Genie level again. It's some similar pattern, repeats over and over. Get the Genie level and market moves away from it, and we often get a retest, and that's always your second chance to get in on the move. And boom, again, the pound dollar getting a move up of over 100 ticks, or pardon me, pips on the pound yen pair. Finally, moving to US oil, we've had a nice little bounce off there again, off a level, a Genie Swing Trade Genie level that was established quite some time ago. We knew the market was coming there and to expect a bounce. Market bounced, confirmed by the volume, and we get was at least like a 50, or pardon me, at least a 60 to 80 pip move there, a tick move on US oil. And if you look at Brent, some of you who live in Europe, you probably trade Brent. Same thing, similar thing. We had the level ahead of time. You can see 28th, 29th, that level is just sitting there. It's telling you the market is going to come there, and to be ready to expect something to happen when we get there. We get the bounce off that level, and similar situation, just like US oil, we get a nice bounce up again, looking at over 60, 70 ticks on that bounce. So the Genie levels, absolutely amazing. Definitely can help you in your trading, whether you're day trading or swing trading. You can see how relaxing it is. You can see how it gives your trading a lot more certainty and confidence, and being able to pull the trigger and to know that you're probably going to get a very nice move off the Genie levels. So we'll see you in the next video. Look forward to you joining us, and keep watching the Genie.